Switching between light mode and dark mode on Snapchat is super simple to do, so in today's video we'll be showing you exactly how to do that. However, odds are, if you already have dark mode set on your phone, you probably don't have to do it again in the app. It usually just goes back to whatever the system default is, either light or dark. However, if you want to change it manually, well, here's exactly how you can do that. And it works pretty much the same way on both Android and on iOS. Once you're in the app, you want to head into your profile, which will be in the top left. From there, you want to head into the cogwheel icon, which is your settings. You'll find this in the top right of this screen. Once you are there, you want to scroll down until you see app appearance. There you have several options, either keeping it with the system default, basically whatever your operating system uses, always light mode, or always dark mode. Then at the very bottom, there will also be an option for some additional app styles and themes. However, that is only available if you have the paid subscription Snapchat Plus. And if you tap on it, it'll give you a couple of examples of what exactly you can expect if you have that subscription. If instead you're using the desktop app, you can also change the theme on that as well. Simply just click on that cogwheel icon, and then from there go on to theme. And there once again you'll be given the same set of familiar options. So as you can see, it is very simple to do, whether you're on Android, on iOS, or you're using the browser version. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.